silent such a long time. Do you believe on Pakistani judicial system?
I actually reported this story back in 2011 to a U.S. Embassy official, and I am currently in contact with American Citizen Services. It did not make any sense for me to report the rape to Pakistani officials because the person that attacked me was ostensibly the most powerful man in the country at the time when PPP was in power. Listen, I believe I have been traveling Pakistan for 10 years. I have been promoting tourism in Pakistan for 10 years. And one of the things that I always advocate for Pakistan, for the global community, is to look at Pakistan with a more objective, optimistic viewpoint. And I always use Benazir Bhutto as an example that Pakistan itself has had a first female prime minister, and America has yet to elect a female head of state, which is a bit sad and embarrassing for me as an American. I believe truth and justice will prevail. My original tweet was taken out of context. It was never intended to be disrespectful to anyone, alive, living, and especially a deceased female that broke the glass ceiling here in Pakistan. But this video that prompted my tweet, when I saw Malik Riaz's daughter and the abuse of a woman that was ordering the abuse of another woman, that instantly reminded me of something that I had gone through personally here in Pakistan, and it prompted me to speak out. And it prompted me to say that these are stories that I had been told by people in the late Benazir Bhutto's own party. And these stories, these horrific stories against Benazir Bhutto, were told to me by the then Interior Minister Rahman Malik. And I want to be very clear about that. I believe in truth and justice. Pakistan Zindabad.
Okay, thank you very much.